So the watch that I bought is this tree watch. So why tree watch? What you might be thinking. So you can also suggest what type of video I can bring it to you guys, because that's the main thing. Even if I upload, if it's not up to your expectation, it will be a waste of my time as well. So hello guys, welcome back to another new video, and yeah, another new vlog. It's another beautiful day, and as you know, I wake up late, but today it's 5:30 in the morning. I woke up early because I have to drop my brother to the station. He's going back to Zunheboto today because he got his result and the class is about to start off. So I woke up early today, and yeah, for today's schedule, as of now I have only two duties. That is, I have to cut my hair. Yeah, it's become long, so I have to cut my hair. And yeah, another work is I applied for a driving license, so just said they'll issue today, so I have to go and fetch that up too. So as of now I have only two work today, and yeah, let's see what the day have for me today. So we have reached the station and everyone is busy with waking up their things into the bus, and I'm here sitting in the stair making a video. So they will soon be leaving. So even me, after they leave, I'll be going off to home. So guys, as you can see, it's in early morning, and yeah, there we have 100 years of semi-Christianity. And over there is a church. You can see the church, and here I'm standing at the bus station, and this is the view from the station. So guys, I just came back from the station. I dropped off my brother. So right now I'll just have my food and take a wash up, and yeah, go to town for my haircut, and yeah, so for some other duties. So guys, right now I'm at my shop, and yeah, I didn't even get time to cut my hair still now because I have a lot of work today. I have to make this phone, another phone here, and yeah, the one right now I'm making this. So still I didn't get time to go to the town. So yeah, probably, yeah, if I could finish the work early, I'll do. Otherwise, tomorrow. This phone, and this phone. 4 phones I have today at my workshop. So every phone is there's a problem of display. So guys, it's already late. Yeah, but I finished my work. So I'm going to the town now to take my do a haircut. See, it's all grown. So I'll go to the town right now, and yeah, I even have to do some tailoring out there. So yeah, I'll meet you after I come back from the town. So guys, I just came back from the town, and yeah, I couldn't even cut my hair. It's because I got a sudden call. I have to go to the church right now. It's early, but yeah, I have to go to the church now to do some preparation out there. Today we have a program out there, so I have to do the preparation and everything. So I'm ready to go. So good morning guys, it's another beautiful day. Yeah, last night I couldn't make a video because I came up very late. Yeah, it is very late, so I couldn't even get them to make the vlog. And yeah, I was tired as well. So today, first of all and foremost thing, I'm going to go to the town, yeah, to do my haircut. So I'll just yeah, I'm just having my tea, so I'll just finish having my tea and then we'll go to the town. So guys, I just came back from the town, and yeah, I've done my haircut. So comment down below how is my haircut. I'll just show you from the light. So this is how it looks, see. And yeah, I bought a watch for myself. So let me just show it to you guys. So the watch that I bought is this tree watch. So why tree watch? What you might be thinking. So that's because I love watches, to collect watch. I had yeah, 4 to 5 watches, but yeah, I don't know where did it went. Yeah, I've lost them all. I was thinking of making a watch place for them, but yeah, it's before I could do that, the watch have all gone missing, so I had to purchase new one. So right now I have only this 4 watches with me now, and yeah, the price is I gave 1,500 for each pair. What each pair? Each piece. So yeah, so that's the purchase I made today, and yeah, I did my haircut as well. So right now, see, these days I'm busy with the church program, so I cannot even upload the video regularly. So sorry for that. Once the program is over, I'll try to bring good content to you all, like exploring Zunheboto, my place, my hometown itself, and yeah, I'll also be doing a motor vlog, so as of now, please bear with the content that I'm giving, and yeah, you can also suggest what type of video I can bring it to you guys, because that's the main thing. Even if I upload, if it's not up to your expectation, it will be a waste of my time as well. So you can comment down below what type of content you guys like to see, and yeah, I'll manage that accordingly. And yeah, as of now, I'll just take wash up and have to go to the church now again. So hope I'll be able to make more vlogs later on, but if that's not the case, I'll see you on another vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, and tata.